they make music that demands to be felt. You get lost in it, which inherently goes against active listening. You're trying to pull the puzzle apart, look at the individual pieces, spin them around, see how big that audio room is, and predict often the next thing. But with them, you can't help but not. You just feel. You're out in the storm, and you feel a bit vulnerable. It's exciting. You're nervous, but you love every single second of it. It's like a breath of fresh air. But like standing out in the rain.